Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn on how you can set a movie or any song as your wallpaper temporary. It's simple because it's all done in VLC Media. So simply find a movie or any song you would like to set as video as wallpaper. So find it, then open it in VLC Media. So now as you can see our media is playing. So to set this video as wallpaper, click on this button called video. Then slide down on set as wallpaper, and now as you suddenly our video disappeared, and if you check on the desktop, you will see that it's been set to wallpaper, and as you can see you can still do anything while your video is in wallpaper. To reverse the action, simply come back on the VLC Media, and then re-click on the set as wallpaper, and as you can see it went back to normal. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.